Hello, Ambassador Chat. Okay, well, our first question is what were three things that were essential to you when dorming?
Bringing my own mirror that I could set on my desk. That was something that I found really helpful.
Shower shoes, that was very important. Make sure you don't forget those.
Our shoes, I just use regular like cheap Target flip-flops, and that was really helpful for me. And I also could like use those on the beach and stuff that were, because they were cheap, so it didn't matter.
Stain remover. This was something that I definitely didn't think about when I was first coming to school. It was something that my mom actually threw in, and she was like, you should just bring this. And I ended up using it a lot. It's one of those things that I tell anybody and everybody, just bring it. Like whether you use it once or you use it twice, it is so nice to have on handy just in case something happens.
I also really loved having the bins and organizers that I use to kind of keep around my room, just to kind of organize my things and keep them all kind of separated.
What were some things you wish you brought?
Plates and bowls and silverware, specifically plates and bowls that could be microwaved. Yeah, there are definitely times when I wanted to make food in my own dorm, and having bowls and plates were super convenient.
My kettle, because I couldn't make teas or coffees in my room, or make ramen when I really needed it.
Extra lighting for my dorm room. Sometimes the like big dorm lighting that they have is just not that nice and enjoyable, especially at night when you're tired and you've been studying for hours.
Twinkle lights. So one, it added a really cute aesthetic to the room, but also it was really helpful in not waking each other up. Sometimes if I would be coming back later than she wanted to go to bed, we would have our twinkle lights on but the lights off, so that when I came into the dorm I could still kind of see my way around without having to shine a flashlight or turn on a light.
How did you decide to decorate your dorm?
I had a lot of posters of movies.
I put a lot of plants up. I had a few posters and a world map up too. And I also actually had this too. It's a little frame of me and my parents when I was young by the San Francisco Bridge, because that's where I'm from. And I loved having it just because I would always be able to kind of look at my nightstand whenever I got homesick.
We found our rug somewhere on sale, I think. It was really fun because whenever we had people over, we would all kind of hang out on the rug, and we would play games and watch movies. It kind of was a way to bring people into our room and to start a community and build friends in that way.
The last question is, where should students find inspiration for decorating their dorm?
Get inspired by your friends or your peers from them decorating their rooms, as well as like looking on Pinterest.
I also just looked at a bunch of Pinterest boards and Googled dorm room ideas.
I love Pinterest, and I would just kind of look up college dorm rooms or dorm decorating, and that's how I would kind of find inspiration for how I wanted to decorate my dorms. I also would look up YouTube videos of how other people in college decorated their dorms, and how specific ambassadors for colleges, like I think Biola had a few dorm decorating videos, and so I would kind of check those out and get some inspiration.
I was going about decorating my dorm with my roommate. We actually started a Pinterest board with all of our ideas, had pretty similar style, but then used like shopping and going to different places as a way to bond and get to know each other. And they also have a competition each year for students that have the best dorm, so that was actually really cool to look at over the past 2 years, of just ways that we can make our room the way that we want it. So yeah, thank you guys, bye.